Hi, do you have a loose toilet seat? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. It should take less than 5 minutes. There's two main ways that these toilet seats attach to the toilet. A lot of them have a metal or a plastic screw with a Phillips slot in it, and some have a square head that holds it in place while you tighten it. In this video, I'll show you how to tighten both of them. So to get started, you just need to pop the plastic cover up, and that will show you what type of screw you've got. And on these, we've got the square head. So what you do on this is just hand tighten the plastic nut underneath, and then you can use a wrench if you want to firm it up just a little bit more. But that's all you've got to do. Then if you've got one that has the Phillips slot, just take a drill or a screwdriver and tighten it. You can use a wrench underneath to hold the nut while you tighten the screw up above. But that's all you have to do. Then you just snap those plastic covers down and you're done. Then you've got a tight toilet seat, and that's how simple this project is.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.